Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. So today I'm going to teach you the rule of 72, 114 and 144. Very important topic for RBI grade B exam. Last year there was a question of 2 marker in the FM paper of RBI grade B phase 2. So let's start. Before starting this video, let me tell you about RBI grade B 2018 course by Team Bank Exams today. So we are providing daily video classes for both phase 1 and phase 2. So along with the video classes, you will get the complete study material and you will get the full length mock test series for phase 1 and phase 2, 15 tests for phase 1 and 10 tests each for each subject of phase 2. We will also provide the assistance for the interviews. So in case you are interested in RBI grade B course, you can directly call me, or the link to join the course is available in the description. Please check the description. So let's start. First of all, let me tell you what is rule number 72. Rule of 72, let's not get into this definition. Suppose rupees 100, you invested rupees 100. How much time it will take to double your money if rate of interest is 6%? So according to rule of 72 divided by 6, it is 12 years. Let's take it another way. How much time it will take to double a sum of money if it is invested for 12 years? What should be the rate of interest? Again, 72 divided by 12 it's equal to 6%. So this is the simple formula. Please check this. Investment rate, or we call it interest rate, multiplied by number of years of investment is equal to 72. In other words, number of years of investment is equal to 72 divided by annual investment rate or annual interest rate. Annual interest rate is equal to 72 divided by number of years invested. Simple. So no need to remember this. If the rate of interest is 6% and it is, then you need to invest it for 12 years to double the sum of money. So if the rate is 12%, you need to invest it for 6 years. If it is 18%, you need to invest it for 4 years. So there is the interest is compounded annually. So this is the question asked in the RBI grade B 2017 in the FM paper. This was a 2 marker question, 2 marks question. Very simple question. Please check this. If rupees 250 is invested today, it will become rupees 1000 in 16 years. Okay, in 16 years, what is the compounded rate of interest? Try to solve this question yourself, students. Give it a try. One important thing here is the money is not doubled, the money quadrupled. So there is, to do these questions, there is a rule number 115. You can use, some people use 114 or some use 115. I personally use 114. So rule number of 172, 115 and 144. If the money is doubled, then you need to use the rule of 72. If the money is tripled, you need to use the rule of 114. And if the money is quadrupled, you need to use the rule of 144. And in case there is a growth annuity, there is a series of payment, and after how much time the money will be doubled, if there is a series of payment, then again you need to use a rule of 144. I'll do that in the next lecture. Let's do right now. We are doing the rule of 172 if the money is doubled, rule of 114 if the money is tripled, rule of 144 if the money quadrupled. Last year this was asked. So if the money is quadrupled, so simply instead of using 72 divided by the number of years, we are using 144 divided by the number of years. So it becomes 9 years. So 9 years is the answer. Very simple question. So money quadrupled. So what in case if 250 became, that was a question, let's say 750 in 16 years, then instead of using 144, you need to use 114 divided by 16. So if it was a case of 250 to 500, instead of using the 144, you need to use 72 divided by 16. So the answer of this question is 9 years. Very simple. Students, I hope you like this lecture. I recommend you to install Bank Exams Today, Android application Bank Exams Today, Android application on your mobile, Android app. And this lecture is part of RBI Grade B 2018 course. And please don't forget to subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, and if you have any kind of doubt, please make a comment. That's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye.